In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me type. We will walk through a couple of quick checks so you can get back to editing your design without losing any work. First, check if the text box is selected. Move your cursor over the text you want to change, then click the text box you want to edit. You should see a thin border appear around the text, usually with small handles or circles on the corners. That border means Canva knows exactly which text box you are working with. If you clicked and nothing appeared, you might have clicked the background or another element. So click again right on the text. Now double-click inside the text. When you double-click correctly, the border usually changes and a blinking text cursor appears inside the words. That blinking line is your sign that Canva is ready for typing. If you only single-click, Canva stays in move mode and your keyboard will not add letters. So if typing still does nothing, double-click once more, a bit slower or faster, since timing sometimes matters on touchpads. Next, try typing again. Press any letter key and watch the text box. If the text starts to change or new letters appear, the issue was simply that the text box was not active. At this point, you can edit the wording, fix spelling, or change sentences as you like. Many beginners confuse moving a text box with editing it, so always check for that blinking cursor when Canva seems to ignore your keyboard. Once that is done, make sure the text box is not locked. Click the same text box again so its border shows up on the canvas. A selected box will usually show a mini toolbar either directly above it or along the top of the screen. That toolbar controls things like font, size, color, and effects, and it is also where you can see if the element is locked. From there, look for the lock icon in the toolbar. It normally looks like a small closed padlock symbol. If the element is locked, this icon may appear highlighted or in a different color. A locked text box cannot be edited, moved, or resized, so no matter how much you type, nothing will change. Checking this icon is a quick way to tell if Canva is protecting that element from changes. Now click it to unlock. When you click the lock icon, it should switch to an open state or lose its highlight, showing that the text box is editable again. You do not need to save anything special here. Canva applies this change right away. The border around the text box will stay, but now you can freely adjust words and formatting. Finally, try typing again. Double-click inside the text so the blinking cursor appears, then enter some letters to confirm everything works. You should see your new text show up immediately inside the box. If you can type now, the lock was the problem and you have fixed it. You have now fixed Canva not letting you type by selecting your text box correctly and unlocking it when needed. If this helped you type in your design again, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more Canva fixes.